Okay, so the purpose of this video is to talk about, or just give you guys an update on my hair. So this is a second install with one of the vendors that we are considering, or actually will be using for our business once we go live September 1st on our website. So I really like this hair. Like, it's really soft. I'm still like amazed that it's soft 2 months in, and this is the second install. And I told y'all that I don't wrap my hair every night. I just don't. Like, I don't have time to wrap my hair every night. So this right here is as good as my hair looks as far as being pressed out. My part looks good. My edges look good. Everything looks good right now because I just got my hair done yesterday. But the fact that I, slept on it, and like I'm sleeping on a couch and stuff. I'm sleeping in my car. Like, I'm sleeping in these random spots, not wrapping my hair. And the hair still kept up. Like, I washed it, I conditioned it, I scrubbed my bundles, like the tracks, because dirt builds up on that. So I scrubbed all of that the night before my appointment, and then I got it installed the next day. And it's flowing, it don't look oily or nothing. Like, I love it. It's like, I love it. And I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, but I'm gonna try to point it out. So right in here, you might see like 2 little light strands. It's called gray hair. It's my natural gray hair. So I'm getting a little gray. So, which is one of the reasons why I like, wearing weaves, because I can essentially be any color I want to be. And now with me getting older, I'm only 32, but I'm starting to get gray hair. I'm gonna have to start treating my gray hair. Like, I'm gonna have to start coloring my natural hair so I can keep my natural hair color. So we're not, you know what I mean? Like, not having grays in my hair. So this weave, having weave in, I can get highlights and stuff in that and not have to worry about, my natural hair color and the highlight hair color. Like, that's just too much color in my hair. Like, too much processing. Like, I don't want to do that. So yeah, so this is the update. I'm gonna throw in some pictures from when I got my first install done. I have some Snapchat, like, little videos I did when I first got my first install done, so I'll throw those in here too, just to kind of show you like progression. Yeah, I really like this. We really are gonna stay with this. I think we are pretty much sold on this being our premium brand. You'll hear us talk about that sometime throughout our videos, but we're gonna have different brands, and we're gonna have different brands of hair. So we'll have a top brand, a middle brand, brand, and then a lower brand. So all of the brands, are going to be, good quality, but based on how long do you want to keep the hair and be able to keep reusing it, we'll let you know which one you should buy, like which one you should get. So I got my hair colored today, and it is exactly a week and a couple days from the time that I got it sewn in. So I really like the color. Like, it's really cute on me. I've gotten compliments on it so far. My husband loves it. And my stylist said that the hair took to the color really well. So A+ for this vendor. If you guys like that video, or this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye, ladies.